Choosing the right handsaw for the job can make all the difference in your project, whether you're cutting timber, metal, or doing intricate joint work. In this article, we'll show you how to choose the right saw for the job and get you sorted.
The classic handsaw is an all-rounder. Its broad blade with big teeth make quick work of timber like decking boards, plywood, or framing. Larger teeth mean faster cutting but a rougher edge, while smaller teeth give you a smoother finish. The key tip here is keep your strokes long and steady, let the saw do the work and don't force it. The tenon saw has a short, stiff blade with a reinforced back. That makes it really precise, perfect for cutting joints like dovetails or trimming smaller pieces of timber. Because the teeth are much finer, you get a clean, accurate cut with more control. Take your time, use light pressure. This saw is about accuracy, not speed. The hacksaw is your go-to for cutting metal and plastic. It has a thin, replaceable blade held in a frame, and you can swap blades depending on the material. The fine teeth slice neatly through pipes, bolts, and conduit. Keep both hands on the frame and use long, smooth strokes to get the most out of each blade. The coping saw is made for curves and intricate shapes. Its narrow blade sits in a C-shaped frame, and you can rotate the blade to cut at different angles. It's slower, but that's the trade-off for detail and flexibility. Let the blade guide you and don't rush. The best results come with patience and control. The jab saw, or keyhole saw, is perfect for starting cuts in the middle of a sheet, like plasterboard. The pointed blade means you don't need to pre-drill a hole, you can push it straight in. It's long and narrow, so it works well in tight spaces. Watch your accuracy and support the board as you cut to avoid tearing. For garden work, a pruning saw is essential. The coarse curved blade is made for cutting through fresh branches quickly, without clogging. It's compact and lightweight, so you can take it up a ladder or into dense shrubs. Cut on the pull stroke for more control, especially when you're working overhead or at an awkward angle. The bow saw is built for bigger outdoor jobs. Its long blade and strong frame make it powerful enough to get through thick branches and logs. Great for cutting firewood or clearing shrubs. The coarse teeth bite quickly, so you'll feel it working with every stroke. Use steady, full strokes and keep the blade tension tight for the fastest results. So whether you're cutting timber, shaping detail, or tackling jobs in the garden, there's a saw designed to make it easier. Pick the right one, use it the right way, and you'll get the job done faster and cleaner.